That's it. Better still, buzz off.
Operation!
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the sheds, James?
I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red.
He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. So Topham Hatt says
Lois!
the harder we work, the less he'll need diesels to help.
Help you?
Oh. Oh.
You'll always need help. Now, I've come back to find a lost steam engine.
What?
I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you. And then you'll be nothing but useless. Right, Itchy?
Big bully.
Diesel engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor.